Are you tired of feeling like you're losing control of your finances? Money with Wings, do you want to take charge of your money but aren't sure which app to use? Well, you're in luck. Today we're breaking down two of the most popular personal finance tools, Rocket Money and Empower, formerly Personal Capital. Let's start with Rocket Money. This app is like your personal financial assistant. Its main claim to fame is helping you find and cancel unwanted subscriptions. We've all signed up for a free trial and forgotten to cancel, right? Rocket Money scans your accounts and finds those sneaky recurring charges for you. But that's not all it does. It also helps you create a budget, tracks your spending, and can even negotiate your bills for you, though that service comes with a fee based on the savings. Think of it as a great tool for getting your day-to-day spending in order and plugging those little leaks in your budget. The free version gives you a good start, but the premium features, like unlimited custom budgets and credit score monitoring, are where it really shines. Now, on the other side, we have Empower. Empower is a different beast entirely. While it does have budgeting tools, its true power lies in wealth management. It's designed for people who have investments and want to get a holistic view of their entire financial picture. Think of it as a dashboard for your net worth. Empower links to all your financial accounts, from checking and savings to your 401k and brokerage accounts, to give you a real-time look at your assets and debts. It provides a detailed portfolio analysis, a retirement planner, and investment checkups. The free version is incredibly robust, but they make money by offering personalized financial advisory services for a fee to those with a certain amount of assets. So, if you're a serious investor, Empower is probably the tool for you. So, which one is right for you? It really comes down to your financial goals. If your primary focus is budgeting, saving money on a day-to-day basis, and getting rid of unnecessary expenses, Rocket Money is the clear winner. It's built for that. Chart increasing. If your focus is on investing, building your net worth, and planning for retirement, then Empower is the better choice. It's the ultimate tool for long-term financial strategy. You can even use both. Rocket Money to handle the small stuff and Empower to manage the big picture. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.